Do I need to cover the ham while it's baking?
Hello, culinary explorers. Today we're diving into a common question faced by many home cooks when it comes to baking ham. Do I need to cover the ham while it's baking? Understanding the correct techniques can elevate your cooking and give you that perfect, delicious result every time.
Why would you cover a ham?
The main reason for covering a ham while it's baking is to prevent it from drying out. A dry ham can be tough and less flavorful, which is not the result we're aiming for. Covering the ham with foil while it's in the oven can create a sort of mini steam oven, keeping that valuable moisture locked in.
When should you cover a ham?
While covering a ham can be beneficial, it's not always necessary throughout the entire cooking process. For example, if you're baking a pre-cooked ham, you might cover it for the first part of the baking process, but then uncover it for the last 30 minutes or so. This allows you to apply a glaze that can caramelize and add a delightful crust to your ham. The uncovered baking time lets the glaze set and develop flavor, while the earlier covered time prevents the ham from drying out.
How to properly cover a ham?
To properly cover your ham, use a piece of aluminum foil large enough to completely envelop the ham. Make sure there are no openings for steam to escape. This will help to lock in moisture and keep your ham juicy. In conclusion, whether or not to cover a ham while it's baking really depends on the specific recipe you're using and the end result you want. If you're worried about your ham drying out, covering it for at least part of the baking time can be a good idea. Just remember to uncover it for the last portion of cooking if you're using a glaze. Happy cooking, and we hope this guide helps you to bake a ham that's both succulent and delicious.